Alright, sit down, Matt. You ain't taking shit from no one. Rule number 1 about being bullied. Don't be a little bitch. Now sit the fuck down and do my homework.
Good morning, sexy.
Oh my god, there is someone in my bed. What the fuck did I do last night?
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood.
Do you want my number? No.
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like to hear. Got a sexy body.
School's out, no doubt. Burn the book, burn the paper. Time to party. See you later. Now I'm bored.
Last night was fun. What's your name again? Hold up. You don't remember my name, bitch?
So Shanika was tripping because her weave was out. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Back up. Everybody scared of you.
It's not too bad here, actually. Nobody. Oh my gee. Oh wait. Hey, holy show. My. Oh hey. Oh, hello. Okay, I promised it won't happen again. It's not gonna happen. No need to attack the paper. I'm very relaxed. I'm good to go. I can't help myself, shit!
What a great sleep. Let's see how I look.
I said stop looking at my girl.
Don't nobody want that hoe.
Nigga, hold up, I got a dookie.
Take one more step and I'ma fuck you up. Nigga, you ain't gonna do it. I told you I was gonna fuck you up, you stupid mother bitch. Oh shit.
What a beautiful day it is today, isn't it? Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
Bitch, you're doing it all wrong. This is how you twerk it.
Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime.
Leave my brother alone, you douchebag.
Oh, fuck you, mother asshole.
What are you gonna do now, fuck boy? Oh shit. Okay, so it's day 24. And they still haven't realized that I'm an elephant.
Duck. Hey, stop. Sorry, goose.
Baby, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night? Oh, that was Jake from State Farm. Girl, chill.
Get off me, you.
Oh, okay, you need to shut it down.
Cause I'm a boss ass bitch.
Are you coming up to chill? What's the plan, bruh? Everything is awesome when you're a panda.
Hi, monkey.
Hi, human. I literally fucking hate my life in this zoo.
Hey girl, nice butt. Hey, don't you ever put your hands on me.
Yo, let me get some. Yo, come on, give me some. Give me that shit!
You gotta be mentally tough. You gotta do it. Just jump in. Shit. Never mind. Go back. Bad idea. Go.
It belongs to me. You're not getting your fucking banana back. No problem. You wanna hear a secret? I will kill your fucking family. Get your stinky furry ass off my couch, bitch.
I ain't got no motherfucker. So I fucked your bitch.
I'm about to cook up some lamb meat tonight for dinner.
I mean, we're having steaks tonight.